Have you ever wondered if you can earn free money? The answer is yes, you can, and the best part is you can do it without any effort, without any experience, and without much time spent. We're going to show you today how you can earn free money by just clicking boxes. In fact, you can earn $167 to click boxes. You don't need any technical skills or any prior experience. Even an absolute beginner can benefit from my unique methods. Stay to the end of the video because I'll show you how. If you feel overwhelmed by the prospect of earning money online, we have good news. It's easier than ever to start earning today. Companies are making it clear and convenient for consumers to earn money through a multitude of online programs. The most popular ways to earn money range from online stores, pay-per-clicks, and get-paid-to programs. While you may not want to be your only source of income, these are all viable ways to start collecting a decent amount of money. Not only can you earn cash from these programs, they're also free to join and are proven to be successful. Invisibly is one of the best platforms that you can use. Invisibly is reinventing ways that you can make money online. Data is one of the most valuable commodities today. The simple truth is when you interact with the World Wide Web, Big Tech is collecting your data behind the scenes. Their goal is to use your data to learn more about you in order to personalize your feed to increase sales and turn a profit. While Big Tech earns, consumers are left behind and don't receive a cut of the profit that was made based on the personal information that they shared. So Invisibly is changing it up. They're here to pay you for what Big Tech owes you for the idea you create and share. It's important to us to give you a cut of the transaction that happens behind the scenes. Your attention and data are the most valuable commodities today. Why not get a cut of the profit for the work that you put into the algorithm? Your every interaction with your Invisibly feed gives you a point, and you can earn up to 20 points in a day by curating it. Every 100 points can be redeemed for $1, and we make it easy to cash out when you reach 500 points. They offer more than just control over your algorithm. You can also answer survey questions and redeem brand offers to earn extra points. This is only the beginning. More ways to earn are coming soon. Invisibly is creating an AI-powered platform with a feed that's a true extension of you. It's so much more than a feed strategically targeted at you by Big Tech. Invisibly is all about giving you control and giving you a cut of what you deserve. They make it easy to engage, share, and most importantly, get paid. It's always nice to have a little extra cash. It's even nicer to earn extra cash without having to do much at all. There are about 1 million different ways for people to make more money or receive a passive income online. But with a multitude of get-rich-quick schemes, among other sketchy services, it can be hard to decipher which ones are legit. Still, this doesn't mean there aren't great and reliable sources to use to start earning a little extra money. There are plenty of options out there to start earning today. However, it's important to research and vet any program before use, as there are many scams out there, as there are reliable websites. Not to mention, some programs are more robust than others. Invisibly is one of them. While many of these sites want you to pay for clicking, Invisibly is different. They want to give you a cut of what's yours. Your data is one of the most valuable things you own today. If Big Tech is using it to line their pockets with your data, why aren't you seeing a return for the information you shared? Invisibly is working to change that. They aren't all about just making you money. We want to give you control over your information. Whether this comes in the form of controlling your algorithm or deciding what you want to share, the outcome is all the same. When you use Invisibly, you become empowered by owning what is already yours. That's it for today, and if you like this video, do watch our next video about making easy money online. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.